from making a living to finding a place to live. For some of us, we've never had to think about discrimination playing a role in whether we get approved for an apartment or a house. But that is the reality for many. And now there's a program aimed at trying to stop that from happening. Sharon shows us how.
Chris, when you apply for an apartment, you would think that different apartment complexes play by the same rule book, but the reality is that they don't. That's why Legal Aid is looking for testers to see if different renters and rental properties are being discriminatory. Right now, Legal Aid is actively recruiting.
Yes, we absolutely are looking for testers, and we're looking for testers from all backgrounds because we need people who both are members of protected classes and people who aren't.
Elena Dolliger, Legal Aid's assistant supervising attorney, says housing discrimination testing has been something Legal Aid has been receiving federal funds to do so since 1995. Post-pandemic, they're revving the engines again to fight discriminatory practices.
Most of our work at this point, as we're building, is complaint-based. So we'll get a call from a potential client that they feel like they're experiencing some discrimination in their housing.
And discrimination can come in all different forms.
Different rules around like lease violations, different consequences for lease violations. We've seen, different amounts of security deposits, different application processes, running, for instance, like a criminal background or a credit screening on only some applicants and not others.
Then the testers, kept anonymous by the group, go in and test in pairs.
We'll send in 2 testers who are essentially the same, but they differ on one aspect of a protected class status. And so federal law, the Fair Housing Act, protects people from discrimination on the basis of race, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, color, and disability.
Plus, Minnesota's own laws protect all those, as well as creed, marital status, sexual orientation, and public assistance status. Dolliger says she encourages tenants, if something feels wrong, call. Let them investigate.
We're just looking to enforce the law as it is. So we're not out to get landlords or anything like that. If we run a test and we don't find any evidence of differential treatment, that's awesome. We love to see that because that means that people are doing what they should be doing.
This is a paid position. Testers are paid per test that they complete. And if you are interested in becoming a tester, you can get in touch with Legal Aid. In Bloomington, Sharon Yu, KARE 11 News.
Thank you, Sharon. You can simply call Legal Aid's main number, or you can check out this story on KARE11.com to find out how you can get in touch with them if you'd like to become one of those testers.